Hello and welcome. If you've just launched a new website or are planning to, you are in the right place. Today we are going to take a look at the world of SEO, specifically tailored for new websites. I'm Ali, and I'll be your guide through the maze of search engine optimization. SEO or search engine optimization might sound like a complex puzzle, but it's actually your golden ticket to online visibility and success. Whether you're a small business owner, a blogger, or anyone with a brand new website, understanding and implementing SEO from the get-go is crucial. In this guide, we'll cover everything from the basics of SEO to advanced strategies that can propel your website to go to the top of the search engine results. We'll explore keyword research, on-page optimization, technical SEO, and much more. And the best part, we'll break it down into simple, actionable steps that you can start applying today. So whether you are completely new to SEO or looking to brush up your skill, this video is packed with insights and tips that will help you rank your new website faster than you thought. Let's unlock the full potential of your online presence together. Don't forget to hit the like button if you are excited about boosting your website SEO, and don't forget to subscribe for more valuable digital marketing insights. Let's get started. Alright, let's dive into the world of SEO. But before we start optimizing, it's crucial to understand what SEO is and why it's so important for your new website. Let's break it down. SEO is art and science of making your website more visible and attractive to search engines like Google, Bing, and Yahoo. The goal? To rank higher in search results, which means more visibility, more traffic, ultimately more success for your site. There are three pillars of SEO: on-page SEO, off-page SEO, and technical SEO. Each plays a vital role in how search engines perceive and rank your website. On-page SEO is all about the content on your website. It includes optimizing your text, images, and HTML tags to make your site more relevant to specific keywords. It's like telling search engines, hey, this is what my site is about. Off-page SEO refers to actions taken outside of your website that impact your rankings. This mainly involves building backlinks. When other reputable sites link to yours, it's like a vote of confidence in the eyes of search engines. Technical SEO is behind the scene aspect. It's about optimizing the infrastructure of your site. We're talking about website speed, mobile friendliness, and secure connections. These factors ensure a great user experience and help search engines crawl and index your site effectively. Understanding these three pillars is the foundation of your SEO journey. With this knowledge, you are well on your way to making informed decisions that will boost your website search engine rankings. Now that we have covered the basics, it's time to dive deeper. Stay tuned as we explore the first crucial step in SEO: keyword research. You won't want to miss these steps and tricks. Now that we have laid the groundwork with SEO basics, let's jump into one of the most crucial aspects of SEO: keyword research. This is where your journey to the top of search engine rankings truly begins. Keyword research is the process of finding keywords and phrases that people use in search engines. These are the terms your target audience types when they are looking for information, products, or services like yours. The goal? To find and use these keywords in your website content to attract the right audience. There are several tools out there to help you with keyword research. Google Keyword Planner is a popular free option, while tools like SEMrush offer more advanced features. Looking for keywords that are relevant to your content, have a decent search volume, but not too much competition. It's like finding a sweet spot, terms that are searched enough but not so competitive that ranking for them is near impossible. Understanding search intent. Understanding the search intent is key. Are people looking for information, trying to find a specific website, or ready to buy? Aligning your content with this user intent is crucial for successful SEO. Don't overlook long-tail keywords. These are longer, more specific phrases that might have lower search volume, but usually have less competition and higher conversion rates. They are like hidden gems in SEO world. Research sets the stage for your entire SEO strategy. It guides the content you create, the optimization you make, and ultimately the success of your website in search rankings. With your keywords ready, it's time to put them to work. Up next, we'll dive into the world of on-page SEO, where your keyword and content come together to create SEO magic. Stay tuned. Great, you've got your keywords. Now, let's talk about putting them to use with on-page SEO. This is where you optimize the content on your website to make it more attractive to search engines and users alike. On-page SEO is all about making your website's page informative, readable, and of course optimized for your chosen keywords. Let's break down the key components. Your content should include your target keywords. but it's crucial to use them naturally. Stuffing your content with keywords will do more harm than good. Instead, focus on creating valuable, informative content that seamlessly incorporates your keyword. Meta tags and descriptions are snippets of text that describe a page's content. They are the first thing people see in search results, so make them compelling and include your main keywords. Use header tags to structure your content. Your main title should be H1 and use H2 and H3 tags for subheadings. This not only helps readers navigate your content, but also lets search engines understand the hierarchy and relevance of your information. Images can also be optimized for SEO. Use descriptive file names and alt text with relevant keywords. This improves accessibility and helps search engines understand what the image is about. Don't forget about internal linking. Linking to other pages on your site helps search engines crawl your site more effectively and keeps visitors engaged longer. Ensure your site is mobile friendly and loads quickly. More people than ever are browsing on mobile devices, and search engines favor sites that provide a good mobile experience. Effective on-page SEO is a blend of good content, smart keyword usage, and technical finesse. It's about creating a user-friendly experience that search engines can easily understand and rank. Now that your on-page elements are in place, it's time to look behind the scenes. Up next, we'll explore technical SEO, the backbone of your website's performance. Stay tuned. With your on-page SEO dialed in, it's time to get technical. Technical SEO might sound daunting, but it's all about ensuring your website structure is search engine friendly. Let's dive into the key aspects that keep your site running smoothly and effectively. Technical SEO is the backbone of your site's performance. It involves optimizing the technical aspects of your website to improve its visibility and ranking in search engines. Speed is crucial. A fast-loading website not only provides a better user experience, but also ranks higher in search results. Use tools like Google PageSpeed Insights to analyze and improve your site's loading times. Your site must be mobile-friendly. With the majority of internet browsing happening on mobile devices, search engines favor websites that look and work well on smaller screens. Security is a top priority. Ensure your website uses HTTPS. It encrypts data and makes your site more secure for visitors, which is a factor search engines take seriously. Sitemaps and robots.txt files guide search engines through your site. A sitemap lists all your pages, making it easier for search engines to crawl them, while a robot.txt file tells search engines which pages not to crawl. Check often for crawl errors and broken links. This can hinder search engines from indexing your site correctly and provides a poor user experience. Implementing structured data or a schema markup can significantly boost your SEO. It helps search engines understand the content of your page and can lead to richer search results. Technical SEO might seem like it's all about pleasing search engines, but it's really about providing the best experience for your users. A technically sound website is fast, secure, and easy to navigate for both users and search engines. With your website technically optimized, it's time to step outside and look at off-page SEO. This is where your site's reputation and authority come into play. Stay tuned. Great job on getting your website technically optimized. Now, let's step into the world of off-page SEO. This is where you build your website's authority and reputation beyond your own site. It's all about how the world, especially internet, sees your website. Off-page SEO is crucial because it tells search engines that your website is important to others on web. Let's explore the key strategies to enhance your off-page SEO. Backlinks are links from other websites to yours. They act like votes of confidence. The more reputable websites linking to you, the more trustworthy your site appears to search engines. Focus on getting quality backlinks rather than just a high quantity. If you want to know more about backlinks, check out this video. Guest blogging and collaborating with other websites are great ways to build backlinks and reach a wider audience. Share your expertise on other sites and invite experts to contribute to yours. While social media links don't directly impact search rankings, they increase your content visibility, which can lead to more backlinks. Be active on social media platforms relevant to your audience. Online reviews and reputation can significantly impact your SEO. Encourage satisfied customers to leave positive reviews and always respond professionally to feedbacks. If you're a local business, local SEO is vital. Ensure your business is listed in local directories and Google My Business. Accurate and consistent listing improves your visibility in local search results. Off-page SEO is about building your website authority and reputation. It requires consistent effort and networking, but the payoff is worth it. A strong off-page SEO strategy can significantly boost your rankings and visibility. With your off-page SEO in motion, it's time to look at the tools and analytics that can help you monitor and refine your SEO strategies. Up next, we'll dive into the world of SEO tools and analytics. Stay tuned. You've made great strides in optimizing your website, both on-page and off-page. Now, let's talk about measuring your success and making data-driven decisions. In this section, we'll explore the essential SEO tools and analytics that will help you track, analyze, and refine your SEO strategies. SEO isn't set it and forget it kind of deal. It requires ongoing monitoring and adjustments. Thankfully, there are tools designed to give you insights into your website's performance and guide your SEO efforts. Google Analytics is a must-have tool. It provides a wealth of data about your website's traffic, user behavior, and much more. Understanding this data helps you see what's working and what's not, allowing you to optimize accordingly. Another invaluable tool is Google Search Console. It shows how your site appears in search results, highlights issues that need fixing, and even tells you what keywords people are using to find the site. For more in-depth analysis, platforms like SEMrush and Ahrefs are incredibly useful. They offer insights into keywords, backlinks, competitor analysis, and much more. These tools can help you fine-tune your SEO strategies to a great extent. The key to successful SEO is not just collecting data, but using it effectively. Look for trends, identify areas for improvement, and test different strategies to see what works best for your website. SEO is always evolving. Use these tools to stay on top of changes in search algorithms and adopt your strategies accordingly. Being proactive and informed is crucial in the ever-changing world of SEO. SEO tools and analytics are your roadmap to success. They provide the insights and guidance needed to continuously improve your website's search engine performance. Remember, effective SEO is about making informed, data-driven decisions. As we wrap up our SEO journey, let's look at some common SEO mistakes to avoid and best practices to follow. The final section will help you steer clear of pitfalls and keep your SEO strategy on track. Stay tuned. As we near the end of our comprehensive guide, it's important to address some common pitfalls and shared best practices. SEO is a journey filled with learning and growth, and avoiding these mistakes can save you time and improve your results. Let's check out some of the most common SEO mistakes and how to avoid them, ensuring your SEO efforts are as effective as possible. Avoid overusing keywords in your content. Keyword stuffing can harm your rankings and user experience. Instead, focus on creating natural, valuable content that incorporates keyword thoughtfully. Not optimizing for mobile can be a significant setback. Ensure your website is responsive and provides a great user experience on all devices. Do not just focus on number of backlinks. Prioritize high-quality, relevant backlinks from reputable websites. These are far more valuable for your SEO than a large number of low-quality links. Technical SEO is crucial for your site's health. Check for crawl errors, broken links, and ensure your site is fast and secure. Neglecting these aspects can harm your SEO success. Consistency is key in content creation. Regularly updating your site with high-quality content keeps your audience engaged and helps maintain your search engine rankings. To wrap up, here are some best practices. Stay informed about the latest SEO trends. Continuously analyze and refine your strategies based on data, and always prioritize user experience. Remember, SEO is a long-term strategy that requires patience and persistence. And there you have it, a complete guide to ranking your new website fast with effective SEO strategies. I hope this journey has been insightful and empowering. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with others, and don't forget to subscribe for more digital marketing insights.